AC, furnace filter for capturing household irritants, improving air quality, and promoting furnace efficiency. 20 by 20 by 1 inch filters, 6-pack. MERV 11 rating for residential use, comparable to MPR 1000 to 1200 and FPR 7. Captures allergens between 3 to 10 microns including lint, dust, and pollen. Beverage board frame, wire mesh support, and electrostatically charged synthetic filter material. For optimal results, change filter every 60 to 90 days. Amazon Basics MERV 11 AC Furnace Air Filter 20 by 20 by 1 6-pack. Top reviews from the United States. Filter is perfect. This filter is great. At the MERV 11 rating, it does very good at filtering out the air in my home. Does not stifle the airflow through my heat pump system at all.